Hello and welcome to this course. It's an honor for me to share my knowledge with you and help you getting started with Magento. If you put up the work, by the end of this course, you'll be able to set up a Magento store and have the basic knowledge to start developing with Magento without wandering around and asking yourself what to do. It's known that Magento has a steep learning curve and it's hard to get started. That's why I put all this together for you to have a smooth start, and I offer it completely free for anyone. To get to know me better, my name is Tol. I've been a Magento developer since 7 years now. I started as an in-house developer for an e-commerce company in Europe. Now I am a full-time freelance developer. I'm part of TopTal, which is an exclusive network that connects the top 3% software developers in the world. And I work with clients all over the world. But that's enough about me. Let's get started. Let me show you how to get the most of this course. So let's see how to make the best of this course. First, plan your time ahead. It's important to put it in your to-do list each day. If you don't have a to-do list, it's time to make one. You need to set aside at least 1 hour each day for each video because it's important for you to go in depth. Each video explains a concept in a practical way. So just follow the video, read the related resources because they are going more in detail. So each section will have extra resources for you to read. Also, practice. Whatever you see in the video, do it yourself. If the module has some homework, do it. It's up to you what you get from this course. Ask questions. If you don't understand anything, use the form below the videos to ask questions. Based on that, lessons can be improved. I will try to respond to any questions anytime. Well, thank you for your interest and I'm excited to see your journey. Let's go.